Smart curtain switch wiring. How to connect smart curtain switch TAPP. Sign into your account. Tap on Add Device or tap on plus sign. Choose Curtain Switch, Wi-Fi plus BLE. Enter your 2.4 grams Wi-Fi name and password. Ensure Wi-Fi signal good. Press the switch for 7 seconds until the red indicator flashing quickly. Waiting till it configures from 100%. You can control switch now. One-dot motor steering, default or reverse. Two-dot calibration track length. Work with many third-party service Alexa, Google Assistant IFT, etc.